Hi there, students. Pigeonhole. A pigeonhole as a noun, to pigeonhole as a verb. Okay, the basic literal meaning of a pigeonhole is a small compartment for a pigeon to live in. Inside a dovecot. Usually there are lots of pigeonholes for the doves or the pigeons to live in. They're little rectangular little cubes about this size. There's a big board of them. And that's the literal meaning. Now, we often use one of these in a college or an office. And it is, or maybe it used to be, a place where mail and messages could be put for each member of staff. So if you wanted to leave a message for someone before email, you'd put a message in their pigeonhole. Maybe a desk has little compartments, pigeonholes, for you to put different types of documents in them. In a hotel, for example, you may find that at the reception desk there are pigeonholes with the key for each room. And if somebody brings you a message in the hotel, then it will be put in your pigeonhole. Okay, so these are pigeonholes. Now, as a verb, to pigeonhole, this goes a level further and becomes figurative. To pigeonhole means to categorize, to put somebody or something in a certain category. So when people hear that I'm English, they pigeonhole me as a traditional English gentleman, very polite, no emotion, a tea drinker. So to pigeonhole, to categorize in different stereotypes. He was pigeonholed as a computer geek. That's his category, as a computer geek. I pigeonholed him as a medical man. Okay, so that's to pigeonhole. We can also have another meaning, meaning to put on hold, not to act on a proposal or advice, to keep an idea in storage and maybe use later. So all my suggestions at the meeting were pigeonholed. They were noted down, but no action would be taken. So to pigeonhole, to delay for later. But most usually this verb to pigeonhole means to classify in a classification or within a certain stereotype. Now, there are several problems with pigeonholing people or things. Firstly, the categories are normally subjective and poorly defined. And what I categorize as one thing, you may categorize it slightly differently. Also, one thing or one person may fit into various pigeonholes, or even none at all, so you just don't know where to put them. So, he was pigeonholed as an upper class twit. I pigeonholed this project as a wild fantasy of my boss's imagination. Okay, so to put in a certain category. So, let's go over it again. A pigeonhole, a compartment, a niche for pigeons, or for messages in an organisation. There was a message in my pigeonhole at the hotel. To pigeonhole, to classify, to categorize, to stereotype. He was pigeonholed as a football hooligan. and then to pigeonhole, to keep an idea on hold and maybe use later. The project was pigeonholed, and they decided to wait for more favourable economic conditions. Notice, to pigeonhole is a regular verb. They pigeonholed him as a foreigner. He has been pigeonholed by everybody who has met him. So, regular verb. Now, what about formality? I think I would give this word a 5 in formality, but it's one of these very flexible words. I think you could use it in a very formal document or in a very informal conversation. You might also just want to use the word classify. Okay, so, and the origin is clear, holes for pigeons to live in. And if you look at the thumbnail, you'll see real pigeonholes. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pigeonhole.